California courts are in crisis mode over the shortage of court reporters who create and preserve the verbatim records of what happens inside a courtroom. 71% of the state's 58 trial courts need more workers. That means they can't regularly cover non-mandated case types, which include civil and family law. New at 5, I spoke with Butte County Superior Court's Executive Officer Sharif El-Mallah about what this means here in our area. What do you see really as the big impacts here?
Courts are stuck in this place right now in California where we are trying to create and provide for a record because that's one of our core obligations. We have a shortage of staff in the area that we have historically used to do that.
Right.
So it then begs the question of how can we do that in different ways? We have conflicts in California law for being able to do that. And that is resulting in side effects like people in non-mandatory case types just not getting a record.
Right.
Which makes an appeal much harder. But it's also felt, internally as the court tries to operate in this difficult schema of conflicting laws and provide for a record even in these mandatory case types.
El-Mallah tells me they're getting creative, using things like remote reporting to avoid postponing juvenile and criminal cases. But he says he hopes the legislature will soon allow courts to have the authority to use other solutions when there's no reporter available in person, like using maybe an attorney to keep record. They have 2 full-time court reporters right now in Butte County, and there were 7 a year and a half ago, as many people have retired.